Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Victor, by the way, and thank you very much for watching, and I hope you subscribe. In today's video, I'm gonna help you figure out how to prepare ginger ale. Down south, ginger ale is called emudru. I don't know how other tribes call it, unfortunately, but down south we call it emudru. Surprisingly, the ingredients you need to prepare ginger ale are actually very cheap, affordable, and easy to find. The ingredients are pineapple, you need ginger, lots and lots of ginger, you need Ethiopian pepper, and then lemon. With your pineapple, what you do is that you will peel and then you will slice it into smaller sizes to make it easy to blend. Also, with your ginger and Ethiopian pepper, you wash them, you peel it, and then you prep it for your ale as well. Unfortunately, I don't know the local name for Ethiopian pepper, but what I know is that when you go to the market, ask the market women who sell local spices that you are looking for the pepper we use in preparing sobolo, and they're going to help you out. I think it's 1 cedi. It's very cheap and affordable as well. So moving along, you put your ginger and then your pepper into a blender and then you blend away. After you are done blending, you pour the mixture into an empty bowl and then you set it aside, and then you blend your pineapple as well and then you set that one to aside. After you are done blending your major ingredients, you pour water into a pan and then put it on fire. And then you pour your blended ginger and then pepper into the bowl and then you allow it to boil for at least 20 minutes. You have to allow this amount of time so that it will thoroughly cook the ginger and the pepper. After you are done with the cooking, you have to strain the boiled mixture and then add your blended pineapple as well. When you add your blended pineapple, you have to strain it again for the second time to get rid of all the roughage so that you'll be left with just the juice at the bottom of your strainer. And then when you get to this part, you can then peel and then add your lemon. The lemon will give it a little bit of a kick, and then you can add sugar if you want to. I personally don't add sugar because the pineapple does the job. It makes it sweet and juicy, but you can add sugar if you can't handle pepper and ginger together. And so that is the end of the video, and then you have your ginger ale. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you try it out and then you give me a feedback if you liked it. I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.